Patwa Resurrection. We come a foreign come learn new language. And nyama fi we in a sandwich. Cause the nice Patwa where we come here with take time much about our gig. Every other race in the place keep freedom accent intact. Spanish, African, Asian and Jews, not one of them turn them back. But the colorful accent called Patwa, I drop off of the map. Oh no, help me, save it, no make it broke nor crack. Cause one of this fine day, we are gonna need it when we go back. So please, me a beg you no, try and keep it intact. In Jamaica we buy one frock, but America we buy one dress. It look like so this a new language, a so blasted stress. In Jamaica if you trash, it means so you look damn good. But in America if you trash, them just say, a garbage that. The Patwa and the English, they're in a competition. But me want all Jamaicans to ball out. This a resurrection for Patwa out for run last. He might try to catch him breath. Jamaicans, make we push him and take him out of stress. For Patwa, it we born with. So now make him come run last. Cause everybody else a move fast. And I make them wanna pass. Someone will sit down and I whisper. And I say that me a talk fast. Decent English is all distinguished. So Patwa no have no class. But uno can't stand to play fool. Me grew up in a bush. And Patwa was the language. For big, little and stush. Every time that me write it, it make me feel so tall. So make we resurrect it and big it up abroad. And Maxpoet says so.